explode. Ah! Hello editors, today I'll show you 5 hidden features in Premiere Pro that you shouldn't know. Let's talk about one by one in detail. First one is preview area. Whenever you're working on large project and you use this icon view tab also, but still it's got hectic to use. As you double click one of the file and it open on source monitor and searching for right footage, doing all this is quite frustrating. But to simplify the process, Premiere Pro has this solution. By simply right click on the project where we imported the file and check this preview area option here. As you can see on the screen, a thumbnail is visible of the footage. And guess what? If you click any of the footage, you can see the thumbnail of that footage. And if you know which footage is related to which video, you can simply drag this and select the photo and click on the camera icon here. You simply see the thumbnail of that clip or set the thumbnail according to your choice and it will become easy to work with it. And it's pretty much awesome. Moving on to second one is automated sequence. If you have very few footage like I have and you know in your mind that which footage go after another footage, so simply arrange the footage like this one by one and make the in and out point from the icon view tab. I simply drag here and press I on the keyboard for the in point and O on the keyboard for the out point here. And same goes to the other footage also. Make the in point and out point for all of the footage. And then after doing all this, select all and go here the automated to sequence. You can see a layer is pop up over the screen. You can select the order of your sequence, placement and the method how you want to insert the footage. You can check the value with your requirement and hit OK. And you can see it, the footage we have selected is automatically added to the sequence in the timeline with the cross dissolve effect. Let me play it. Yeah, it's looking awesome. Wait, did I give two hidden secrets in this? Let's move on to the third one is Consolidate Duplicate. If you are using many footage in your video and we can't keep the track how we insert many footage, which is duplicate. By overcoming this problem, you simply go to the edit option and click on Consolidate Duplicate file to automatically delete the duplicate file from the footage. And you can see just above Consolidate Duplicate file, the remove unused option is also there. It is simply do when you're done with your editing, it will remove unwanted footage from your project and it is very helpful. Fourth one is dubbing audio. It's simple. Go to the essential sound panel and by selecting the music, click on the music here. By selecting the ducking, click on the generate keyframes and you can see it automatically generate the keyframe with respect to the audio. If you want more accurate keyframe, by simply decrease the fade here and again click on this. It will automatically use that faded trigger in the back end of the code and create more accurate keyframe and it's look like awesome. Let me play one of my working project and show you how awesome it is. Let me explore it first as it is important for me. Export. Now the last hidden trick is how to export without getting this error. Trust me, if you're a Premiere Pro editor and you encounter this error many times, for me it's every time. I overcome this solution and you can use this little trick. Just change the project setting to the software only and in the export change the hardware to software. It will take time to export but trust me guys, it will work most of the time. If this not work for you, please let me know in the comment box. I will help you to go through this error as much as possible. I want to know the cool transition like in video. Watch this video and if you're new here, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. And if you have any other secret tricks in your sleeve, I love to know. Bye bye guys.